Let's start by warming up for standing bow. Have your feet slightly apart. Place your hands on your upper buttocks, fingers pointing either down or up. Tuck your tailbone, lengthening your lower back. Inhale, contract your buttocks and arch your spine. Lift your sternum as you stretch your neck back. Exhale and come up. Press your hips forward as you arch back. Move your elbows and shoulder blades towards each other. Breathe through your upper lungs, and as they expand, feel your chest muscles loosen. Exhale and rise up. Rest a moment. This is a safe back bend. Your hands protect your lower back, preventing it from straining. Lengthen your waist as you arch. Lift your ribs, opening your sternum. Exhale up. If you're ready, we'll increase the back bend. Separate your feet hip-width apart. Point your fingers down and arch back, sliding your hands to your thighs. Squeeze your buttocks and lift your chest. Open the front of your shoulders. Keep your breathing steady. Slowly come up. Press your pelvis forward as you lift and arch. Feel the stretch across your abdomen and chest. If you feel uncomfortable stretching your neck back, keep your head up instead. Come out of the pose with control. If you are able to bend back further, widen your stance and turn your toes out. Otherwise, repeat the warm-ups. Bend your knees slightly. Contract your buttocks and press them forward as you arch back. Bend your knees further and place your hands on your legs wherever you can reach. Hold your ankles if possible. Breathe evenly. The secret to good back bends is to arch the entire back, not just the lumbar area. Firm buttocks creates the foundation for this pose, and lengthening the lower spine is essential. Then you can focus on lifting, expanding, and opening the front of the chest, whether your hands are on your buttocks, thighs, or ankles. Exhale as you lift up with control. Bring your feet hip-width apart for a counterpose. Using your hips as a pivot point, move your pelvis back as you extend your torso forward. Hold the thighs just above your knees. Lift your head and look forward. Press your hands firmly against your legs to help lengthen your spine. Now inhale deeply. Exhale and bend further, bringing your hands below your knees. Rotate your hips forward, making your lower back concave. Keep your head and chest lifted. Breathe slowly and deeply as you hold. To increase the stretch, slide your hands down to your ankles. Fold from the hips. Keep your lower back flat and your thighs contracted. The more your hips come forward, the more you feel the hamstring stretch. With your next exhalation, come down further and hold the back of your ankles. Draw your elbows in so your forearms are alongside your calves. Extend the top of your head towards the floor. Breathe slowly and deeply, releasing into the pose with each exhalation. Now, take hold of the opposite elbows. Let the extra weight of your arms gently draw your torso down. As you relax into the stretch, lengthen the front of the spine. Feel your shoulder girdle move away from your ribs. Your vertebrae are gently separating, flushing your spinal discs with fresh blood. Release your elbows and bring your arms behind you. Interlock your fingers and straighten your arms. Lift them up. Bring them over your head towards the floor if possible. With each abdominal breath, lengthen your spine. With each exhalation, lower your torso further. If your shoulders are flexible, you can open your palms and stretch them outward. Bend your knees and let your torso rest on your thighs. Your hips are fully folded now, and you've eased the hamstring stretch. Keeping your chest close to your thighs, straighten your knees. The hamstring stretch is now intensified. Let's repeat. Bend your knees, bringing your abdomen onto your thighs. Alternating these two positions is a wonderful way to loosen both the hips and the hamstrings. Try to keep the fold in your hips as you straighten your knees. When you bend your knees, continue to stretch your arms away from you, opening the shoulders. Let your hips rise as your torso moves down. Press your legs straight. If your chest and thighs don't touch, that's fine. Do your best. Exhale and fold your torso onto your legs once more. Relax downward. Now inhale and straighten your knees. Let your hands be heavy. Release into the pose as far as you can now that your body is warmed up. Using the strength of your hips, inhale and come up. Lower your arms and release your hands. Close your eyes. Relax your legs and hips, your arms and shoulders. Relax your back muscles. Notice the sensations in your body from the increased circulation to your head, shoulders, arms, and legs. Your whole body feels very light now. Come onto your knees. Bring your hands to your hips. Extend your right leg to the side. Have your toes, ankle, knee, and hip in a straight line. Inhale fully and raise your arms to shoulder level, palms up. Exhale and bend to the right. Rest the back of your hand on your shin and extend your left arm up. Both shoulders are aligned over your leg. Exhale and bend further to the right, stretching your hips to the left. Move the left side of your shoulder and chest back, and bring the right side of the chest forward so your torso faces the front as much as possible. Pull your abdomen in slightly to help you support the pose. Reach outward from your hips to your fingertips. Using the strength of your hips, inhale and come up. Bring your hands to your hips. Switch the positions of your legs. Right knee on the ground. Left leg extended sideways. Try to bring your toes to the floor. Take a full breath as you raise your arms to the side and lengthen your spine. Exhale and slowly bend to the left. Let your body get used to the pose before moving deeper. To improve your balance, press the top of your right foot down firmly. Rotate your chest open, bringing the left side forward and the right side back. Now gently increase the stretch in your right side. If you get a cramp from stretching your toes down, you can flex your foot. This posture tones the abdominal organs and muscles. The side stretch also helps redistribute waistline fat. You can keep your thigh muscles relaxed or contract them to intensify the pose. Inhale and slowly come up. Bring your arms to shoulder level. Then place your hands on your hips. Bring your left knee to meet the right. Let's do it once more on each side. Extend your right leg. Inhale deeply and raise your arms to shoulder level. Exhale and bend to the right. Keeping your palm up creates strength in the pose. If you find it hard, turn your palm down when you get tired. Now deepen the stretch by sliding your right hand down and raising your left arm. To intensify the pose, contract your left thigh and fold sideways from the roots of your hip. Keep the left side of your waist long. Focus on your breath. As you inhale, feel the muscles between your ribs expand. Let your breath increase the side stretch gently from the inside. Inhale and come up slowly. Rest your hands on your hips. Bring your right leg in. Extend the left. Take a full breath as you raise your arms to the side. Exhale, bend to the left and stretch your hips to the right. Reach your right arm up as you lengthen your spine diagonally. All the poses we are doing today loosen the spine and relieve stiffness in the back. They also tone the spinal nerves, which helps keep us healthy, calm, and balanced. With an exhalation, move deeper into the pose. As your arm comes over your head, don't let it come forward. By moving your arm back as you bring it down, your chest will stay open. Feel your breath opening the right side of your ribs with each inhalation. Now, use the strength of your hips and waist to inhale and rise up. Lower your hands to your hips. Bring your left leg in. So far today, we have stretched our spine forward and back, to the right and to the left. Now we are going to give it a twist. Sit with your legs extended. Bend your right knee. Inhale and lift your spine. Exhale and twist to the right, wrapping your left arm around your knee. Bring your right arm behind your back and place it on the floor behind your buttocks. Turn your head to look over your right shoulder. Clasp your knee firmly and pull it gently to the left to help you increase the twist. It will also help to press your right hand down. Breathe evenly. Lift from the base of your spine, rotating your abdomen. Slowly return to the center and release your knee. Extend your right leg and bend the left. Inhale. Exhale and twist to the left, clasping your left knee with your elbow. Press your left hand down behind you. Hug your knee towards your chest. Twist and lift your spine at the same time. With each inhalation, lift your spine further. With each exhalation, spiral upward a little more. Inhale as you release the pose and rotate to the front. Now sit in your comfortable cross-legged position. You can sit on the edge of a cushion to help you keep your back straight. Sweep your arms out and behind your back. Interlock your fingers and press your hands down. Open the front of your shoulders. Carefully raise your arms. Inhale fully as you stretch your neck back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Breathe softly as you hold. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Come down as far as you can, simultaneously lifting your arms. Continue to breathe softly as you hold. Touch your forehead to the ground if possible. This pose releases muscle tension in the shoulders and also helps to alleviate stress. Feel the tension being squeezed from your shoulders and upper back. Using the strength of your lower back and hips, inhale and come up. Relax your arms. Feel how the muscles around your shoulder blades have been massaged from the pose and now feel supple. There is increased energy around your spine and in your upper back also.